What makes a machine humble versus dominant?
It's very similar to what makes a human humble versus dominant. So, for example, in a lot of the systems we have today, there is literally no way for you to make a change yourself if you want to. You're always relying on an AI. Even with in painting, with text to image models, you have to hope that the AI modifies that portion of the image in the way that you're imagining. There's no way for you to directly inject yourself. Even with text, right? Even with ChatGPT, which I think is actually in many ways is a humble creative machine, which is why it is successful. But even with ChatGPT, you have to have a separate document open and copy sections and insist on being the writer yourself, right? Because by default, it's the boss, it's writing everything, it's editing. It's a mind shift. It's a perspective. Right now, there is much more money getting poured into building artificial intelligence than we ever had into enhancing human intelligence. It's almost like the wealthy and powerful are telling us that they believe more in AI than they believe in us. But if you ultimately believe in the human, you believe that our intelligence is worth it, then you're automatically going to build systems that ground up are designed to support us. And the interface is built in a way that you have the driver's seat. You can express yourself. It really is a belief system that we're seeing reflected in our systems.
Ah, so true. Eric Burgess, who introduced us at CredTent, has the three badges, and there's AI assisted, and then human. And it's interesting. And I like those because if you want to say this is just human,